Easily create cloth simulation in Blender. Let's start by adding a UV sphere for our cloth to collide with. For cloth, let's add a plane. Give the plane a cloth property with these settings. Give the UV sphere a collision property. Hit the play button to see results. Not much is happening here. This is because our cloth plane has a single face. Subdivide the plane for better results. Add a subdivision surface modifier to smooth things out. Let's give it a bit of thickness. Let's add some materials. Let's switch to cycles to get a realistic view of things. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.